This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to do fat intake calculations online. So I'm right here on a fat intake calculator at calculator.net. You can see the URL on the screen here, calculator.net/fat intake calculator.html. I will put that as a link in the video description below this video, so you can just click on that link and find yourself here. So we do have metric units here. We have US units, so metric units in centimeter and kilogram, as you can see here. Then we have US units in feet, inches and pounds. In the UK where I am here, we do feet and inches as well, so you might want to use that one. And then there's other units if you want to experiment with that as well. So let's do metric units first. We'll say that this is a 35-year-old. So we've got 18 to 80 that we can input here age-wise. You could be doing this with your clients, with yourself, it doesn't matter. So male and female, you can go for either. So we'll say this is a 35-year-old male at 189 centimeters, about 6'2", 6'3". We'll say that they are in fact 95 kilograms. And then we choose an activity level. So sedentary, which is little or no exercise. We've got light, moderate, active, very active, and extra active. So we'll go with active, which is daily exercise or intense exercise 3 to 4 times per week. That could be cardio, that could be weight training, strength training. Then settings, I'll just show you, you can choose the BMR estimation formula. You can choose the Mifflin or the catch right here, and you can set a body fat percentage. We will leave that as it is by default with the Mifflin. And now all that's left to do is we click on calculate, this big green button for calculate. And just like that, we get our fat intake calculation breakdown. The result here, there are 5 different versions here, so 5 different goals. There's the weight maintenance, there's a losing 0.5 kilograms, losing 1 kilogram. Then there's a gain of 0.5 kilograms and a gain of 1 kilogram even. If you, maybe you're on a bodybuilding protocol and you want to actually gain weight here, or just some form of weight gain for health reasons. So then we've got the daily allowance in calories. You can see the breakdown here. The daily fat allowance, 20 to 35%. It will give you, this is the key, it will give you your estimated grams. Obviously, there's quite a large distribution here, quite a big range. Saturated fat allowance at 10%, we can see that there. And saturated fat allowance to help reduce heart disease at 7%, and we can see that breakdown. So any of these things you can copy and paste into a document. You could copy and paste the whole table into a Google Doc or a document if you want to. You can obviously read about this and get some maths here and swat up on things, as far as there's a little table at the bottom as far as what all of this means if you're not aware. Your mileage might vary. Obviously, these are just, this is meant to be like scientifically bulletproof. This is an estimation. If you want to actually calculate your fat intake online, this is one way that you can do it. So US units, let's do this quickly. We'll say we have a 40-year-old woman this time at 5'6" and 120 pounds. She is going to be very active. That is intense exercise 6 to 7 times per week. And we'll hit calculate. And you can see the breakdown right here. Again, you can copy and paste anything. Maybe you're doing this for a client, you need to put it into a Google Doc or something. You can copy and paste any of this in here. And yeah, very helpful, very useful calculator. Recommend that you do bookmark this page if you're doing these calculations regularly, like once a week, a couple of times a month, or whatever it is. This calculator is always here for you wherever you are in the world, whether you're on your cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, or desktop like I am right here. And there's no ads here, so a lot of these calculators tend to have ads sort of littered all around the side and inside the content. It's kind of hard to see the content and what's actually going on, but this site is very clean, which is what we like. So hopefully you found this video on how to do fat intake calculations online useful. If you have, dropped this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.